let me show you how to make my bakery style chocolate chip muffins that are just so sensational. They're a beloved recipe on my website. They are the most perfect muffin ever, and I cannot wait to show you how I make them. The recipe is already on my site, so if you love this recipe, if you make it all the time, if it's a staple of yours, then you know how good they are. But let me show you how to make them because they are really and truly just the greatest. Okay, first things first is you're gonna chop up a bar of chocolate. This is a 4-ounce chocolate bar from Ghirardelli. You could also use the baker's chocolate, either semi-sweet or milk chocolate. It's totally up to you. You'll finally chop that and set it aside, and then you're gonna add that to a small bowl along with your chocolate chips or chocolate chunks, whichever you're using. You'll stir that up with a little bit of the flour that you pre-measured for the entire recipe, and you'll set that aside. In a large bowl, you're gonna cream together the sugar and the eggs. You'll kind of whisk them until they become really nice and light and pale in color. It'll take about a minute or so, and then once there, you are going to add your vegetable oil and butter melted together, or you can just use all melted butter or all melted vegetable oil along with your vanilla extract and whisk to combine. Once there, you'll add your dry ingredients, which we pre-measured, which was, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. You'll add that right in, and when you add that in, make sure you're combining your leavening agents with your flour so that it incorporates evenly. And then you'll add in your buttermilk. I made my own buttermilk, which is just milk with a splash of lemon juice, and set it aside for 10 minutes, and it works perfectly. Mix that to combine, and when it's just about fully combined, because remember, we don't want to ever over mix a muffin batter, you're going to add the chocolate chip and flour mixture that we prepared in advance. Get that in there, whisk to combine, or you can also just switch to your spatula to combine it if that feels a little bit easier. But once mixed together, you're going to go ahead and get ready to start filling your muffin tin. I'm just using a standard muffin tin lined with liners. I actually ended up making about 18 muffins on this particular day. You can get between 12 and 18, really depending on the size of your muffins, but I say when you fill them about 3/4 of the way up, you'll get about 18 muffins. So once they are all scooped up, I use a large ice cream scoop into your muffin tin. Make sure you line them so that they come out easily. I like to sprinkle a little mini chocolate chip on the top. You don't have to, but I like it. It adds to the look, and it also adds a little extra layer of chocolate, which, let's be real, it's delicious. You're gonna pop these into a 425 oven for 8 minutes, then turn the oven down to 350 for an additional 7 minutes, and they are absolutely perfect. They are high, they are brown, they're tender crumbed, and they are perfection in every way. The recipe is linked for you in the description. Please make them this weekend. They're so easy, and they're just such a huge family favorite, and I know you'll love them too. Bye-bye.